Hey guys, before we even get started with this video, I make a mistake several times through the video. I call the place where I'm having my burger It's Sugar. It's not It's Sugar. It's Sugar is a store across from Caesars on the boardwalk in the Playground Mall. The place I'm having this burger is in the Hard Rock and it's called Sugar Factory. There's a big difference. Just wanted to let you guys know that I think throughout the entire video I keep saying It's Sugar. It's actually the Sugar Factory. And now on with the show.
Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City. Actually, I'm heading into Atlantic City. I'm on the Atlantic City Expressway right now, heading over to the Hard Rock. Gonna try out the It's Sugar restaurant. Many of you have said they have a really good burger there. I've had burgers all over Atlantic City. I've never actually eaten at It's Sugar, so we're going to take care of that today. Gonna get a nice burger, hopefully a nice burger, and I'll tell you guys all about it. I'll bring you along with me. Once I'm in the Hard Rock, I have to get my rewards card upgraded. They had this new Unity. Actually, it's been around for a long time, but Atlantic City, for some reason, had a different rewards card, and my card was never updated. They said they were going to send it to me in the mail. Never happened. So I'm going to check that out and take care of that, and then head over to It's Sugar. Bring you guys along with me. We'll have a nice burger, some fries maybe, and then I'm actually heading over to Caesars tonight to check out the show The Hook. That'll be a separate video, of course, so come along with me. Let's head on over to the Hard Rock and have some burger and fries, shall we? I know I should be ordering something sweet when I'm at It's Sugar, but just not a sweet type of guy. So it's going to be a burger and fries for me and probably an unsweetened iced tea.
Hold on tight.
Gonna head over to the Unity Players Rewards Club. I still have my old Hard Rock card. They said they were gonna send me a new one, never got it. Gonna see if I can get a new card today. So apparently they put a hold on the new Unity card program. They said my old card is perfectly good. So if you're in the same position, all you have to do is just, I guess, wait a little longer and you'll get one in the mail.
This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, Leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Don't forget, click on the super thanks, get a shout out on an upcoming video. Here we are, the sugar factory. Not It's Sugar. This place is not only known for their over-the-top desserts, but also their over-the-top cocktails and frozen cocktails, some of them well over $50. Of course, I'm here for a burger. The menu here at the Sugar Factory is just way too extensive for me to show you in a video or even a freeze frame, so I suggest if you're really interested, try to freeze frame it. If not, check out the website. Lots and lots of pages, lots of all different kinds of foods, drinks, and desserts. So I'm ordering the Big Cheesy, which is a 8-ounce Angus beef patty with melted American cheese, creamy mac and cheese, applewood bacon, pickles, shredded lettuce, tomato, crispy onions, and barbecue sauce on a toasted brioche bun. That's a big burger. So I ordered the Big Cheesy, but they don't have unsweetened iced tea. They only have brisk. I hate brisk. So I ordered a Diet Coke. Hey guys, if you enjoy watching me eat, and apparently you do, I mean, who doesn't? Check into my new channel, which will have its first upload next weekend, Jersey Jeff Eats. Nothing but me visiting restaurants very similar to this one, only in New Jersey, but the restaurants will be either national fast food restaurants, or local places, or drive-thrus, or food trucks, you name it. I'll be eating there. I'll leave a link to the new channel in the upper right-hand corner right here so you can subscribe. The first video, again, will be uploaded next weekend, so stay tuned. There'll also be a link for subscribing in the description below. Hope you guys subscribe and tune in next weekend for the very first video.
Burger's pretty good. Could use a little more crispy onions and a little more barbecue sauce. Other than that, it's juicy, it's cooked perfectly, everything is fresh. Those pickles, really pickly, but it tastes good. Everything, the bacon's crunchy. Off to the fries now. The fries are good as well. I like shoestring fries. These are crispy on the outside, nice and tender on the inside. They're seasoned well. The only issue I have is they're very short. All of them are very short, like they came from tiny potatoes. I have no idea, but they taste good. That's all that matters, right? So lunch at It's Sugar wasn't bad. It wasn't fantastic, but it wasn't bad. The burger was way too big for me to finish, and the fries, they remind me of like when you get a bag of chips and then you're left with the small chips and the crumbs at the bottom of the bag. Now I know French fries don't come in a bag, but that's what these fries reminded me of. They were delicious, but they were just like odds and ends, bits and pieces. So, I don't know, crazy. Maybe I'm being too picky. I don't know. The lunch was okay. It came to $25 plus a tip. I don't know if I'd go back again. There's so many other places to explore here in Atlantic City as far as food's concerned. So before I go back there, I'm sure I'll check out a lot of other places. On the way up, I met someone that's a fan of the channel, so thank you for spotting me and saying hi. If you guys do see me, please just stop me and say hi. I really appreciate that. Talk to you guys soon. Take care, and thanks for joining me for lunch.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.